Hi, I'm Charles Hatley with Melone Hatley PC, and what we're going to talk about today is the 5 biggest mistakes we see people make in custody and visitation cases. Custody and visitation cases are usually full of emotion, and the first mistake we see is letting that emotion get the best of you, saying things to the other parent that you would not want to be read back to you in court, especially over text message or social media. The second mistake that we generally see is people discussing the case with their children. Frequently, the court will appoint what's called a guardian ad litem to talk to your children about the case. And it becomes very apparent to the guardian ad litem when the children are using words that have only been used in court that one of the parents is discussing the case with the children. This does not look good to the court. The third mistake that we often see is one parent trying to block all the access they can to the children. So they block telephone access, they make visitation difficult, and they really are not being a good co-parent. The court will really look negatively upon this when you're in court, when the other parent's able to show that they tried to call, but phone calls were never returned, or they tried to schedule visitations, but the children were never available. The fourth mistake we see kind of goes along the same idea. It's when the other parent is blocking your access to the children and you don't do anything. If you sit there and allow the other parent to block phone calls and allow the other parent to dictate visitation, the court's going to consider that you capitulating to what the other parent wants. The fifth mistake we see is not acting quick enough. When you're going through this process, time is of the essence. If there is a problem, the court wants to see that you act quickly to try and take care of that problem. The attorneys at Melone Hatley PC will work with you in order to achieve your goals regarding custody and visitation so that you get the best outcome for you and your children.